Alright, so I'm seeing a potential entry for NAS. If it can make me one more bearish fair value gap, I'm gonna enter the market. There are a lot of signs showing that it wants to be bearish today. Okay, let's see if this makes one. Still a fair value gap. Let's see. What time is it? I got up a little earlier today because this is the time when the markets are very volatile. It means shoot, we can be in and out, in and out. I'm gonna do a 1 to 2 today. How much would that be? 37.
Order filled.
5.
Order filled.
Okay, we could do 5.
Order filled.
And we in. Let's see what it does. Man, I was supposed to put my stop loss right here. Oh well. I'm supposed to put my stop loss at the nearest swing high. The reason I hopped in the markets today is because we had a strong disrespect candle at this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap. It took the high of this previous touch, so I'm thinking that it just wants to head to this low next. Yeah, if this play out, I'm starting to really like NAS. I used to love NAS. That was my baby. NAS, are you showing that you're still my baby? Are you my baby? Ooh, look like it, y'all. Come on, baby. Ooh, is we gonna hit it in one candle, y'all? Wow, NAS. I'm gonna get up early every time. That was beautiful. This is a beautiful candle. Wow, NAS. That thing moving, NAS. Okay. I'm gonna put it at break even because if it wants to take out this swing low or swing high, I'll be able to get a better position. Ooh, oh man. Oh, it's gonna be 9:30. Let's see what it do. Ooh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Hate it when you do that. Come on, come on, come on. Yay! Got it. Just like that, in and out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That was a nice 5, 10, 15-minute trade. Shoot, I like days like this. So we up 353 today on our account. Let's check out our week. We up 500 for the week. Well, let me journal this trade and call it a day. Bars. I'm gonna say high ran. The high was ran. A high was ran. Let's see. I need to change that. I don't know the wording to use. 353. Today was a 1 to 2. I ain't had one of those in a while. 73. Short explanation. TP hit. Oh, I knew that baby. That baby probably gonna go all the way right here. What is that? 1 to 21. We shall see. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazz. Peace out.